Hey guys, it is KCS Productions here, Donation AJ, or whatever you want to call me. Today I'm going to be showing you the back of my PC, of course, hopefully if my camera doesn't freeze. Alright, so we got these two these, whatever you call them, buttons of some sort. We got, a screw for the, I do believe that's the hard drive, yep, C drive. Got a screw for the keyboard, I do believe. I don't know which one it is. Got another screw for, I don't know, for the parts of the computer. I don't know how to say it. Lenovo b50 model name 80LT, input 20V, 2.225A, manufacture date 15/09/19, SN MP 100 L2H, MTM 80 T00H6 US, manufactured for Lenovo PCHD limit, made in China. Model MPNX B59190X, factory ID is PRC4. Windows. Actually ran with. I do believe this is the cooling fan right here. Of course, there's some fluid right here, which unfortunately I could not get it out. Just the fact that it's stuck in there permanently. Yeah, I do believe this is the hard drive port or something. Install some RAM and a hard drive. So I don't know. No, I'm thinking it's that. So, okay, this is Lenovo, registered trademark Lenovo, copyright code and parts contain Harrison, copyright 2005 to 2015. Okay, Lenovo. I'm sorry if you can't see the quality. It said this quality is really bad on this camera. Contains transmitter model FCCID PVD QCMFA335 IC 4104A QCNFA335 CCA L13LP267OT9. Of course, you cannot pronounce that. Where we got some more screws here. Of course, that is the DVD burner, of course. So, alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Again, I'm gonna have to have another video about the box over there shortly because I forgot to do this tag yesterday. So, yeah guys, pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be coming up here shortly. Goodbye.